Hey everybody, it's Tiffany here and we are at Dollar Tree. Let's see all the Christmas items they have out for 2025. These are so pretty. These are these little tinsel trees and they have them in the white, the silver, like iridescent, and this blue here. Then they're about probably 10 inches tall. These are cute little stocking stuffers. You have them in Mickey, Minnie, and Spider-Man, and I forget what his name is, but anyways, those would be super cute for like the kids to stuff them with some candies and give them to some friends. We also have this wall decor here. We have this one and it is an elf. We have the gingerbread. Also have this little nutcracker. I'm assuming are going to be $1.25 because I'm not seeing like a full price on those. And they also have it in this ornament style. Oh, that one's like actually coming apart. So just double check when you are buying yours. They have them in the candy cane and the, oh, that snowman is really cute. And here are all of the wall hangings that they have. They have the season's greeting, this little Wonderland winter. They also have some Santas, so cute. You can put these all on your doors if you'd like. Oh, I'm really liking these little solar bulbs right here. These are gonna be $1.50 as seen here. They have them in red, blue, yellow, and green. And it does look like they do require one triple battery, but oh look, you can actually like hang them up, maybe like on your patio. I think that would be really neat. Now these ornaments are going to be $1.50 unless otherwise marked. These I have seen several times, several years in a row. This one is really pretty. Look at the sparkles. That's pretty good size. Really different, unique shape too. And they have this fuzzy owl. Oh, okay, I thought that was a 2-pack, but no, it's just a 1-pack. But that is super cute. It's got like this fuzzy stuff on the back. It's very glittery. That's really neat. And I am definitely loving little reindeer ornament. And of course, they always have all of their ornament bulbs. Now these are supposed to be shatterproof, but look at that. That says hand painted ornaments. Are you serious? I don't know if I believe that. Oh, but look at this. This is kind of a neat color. I haven't seen this one yet. I wonder how much these are. So now these are going to be 30 pieces. And I do not see a price on those. They have a lot of tinsel garland. We have this red one here. We have green, gold, blue, some different multicolored ones. These are super bright and fun. They have a lot of bows. Now these are just going to be your nice traditional bows. They are made of, I don't know what that is. It's not necessarily fabric, but it's not plastic either. This one definitely feels more plasticky kind of a bows, but they're not the best quality, I will say. This one is like a velvety material. I definitely like the ones over at Target much better. These are going to be $1.50 each. And they also have the 2-pack right here. These are going to be a 2-pack for $1.50. They have these with the little truck on it and the glitter red ones as well. And don't forget that Dollar Tree also has a lot of wrapping and gift giving packages here. They have a ton of bags to choose from. Now these are going to be $1.50 each, but look, you have this gift sack. It says Santa, please stop here. They also have gift wrapping tissue and of course all of your gift tag needs. If you'd like to put a vase together for Christmas, maybe for your tablescape, here are some vase fillers. We have these gold ones with the red. There's 110 pieces in that one. Wow. We have these large berries. We also have these small white berries. We also have some red berries. And this is going to be all of the different florals that they have. Let's see the quality. Oh dear. Ew, that does not look good, huh? So, you know, this is definitely like Dollar Tree quality flowers. Not the best, but if you just want to put something together really quickly, you could definitely do that. Now these are going to be $1.75. They do have some candy out. These are going to be $3. Skittles, and we have the Jolly Rancher. They also have some chocolate, and this box is going to be $6. Okay, I am seeing some nicer items here. Now these are going to be $3 and up. Look at this garland one right here. That is beautiful, and it's very big. And you also have this one right here, the blue and the silver, but that's really all that I'm seeing. Those are actually $7. Now, just like Target, they have these big bows. These are going to be $7, but they are definitely not as pretty as Target's bows. And I can't remember. I think Target's bows were either $5 or $7. These are just like not the best looking bows. And they are soft and squishy, but I think just for style, Target is definitely going to be better for that one. Here are some of the soap dispensers. Look how cute this one is. We have the truck, the snowflake, and the Christmas tree right here. Now these are going to be $5 each. Oh, these little reindeers are so cute. Those are going to be $5, and it's made with that tinsel. These are pretty nice size. Look at that. Oh, so cute. I definitely like that one. I'm seeing it in the silver, the gold, and I actually see a white one back there. If you're enjoying this video so far, be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it really helps out my channel. Reflective magnetic lights. What is this? It's 8 pieces. Okay, so these are just little ornaments that you would place on the back of your car. That is super fun. 8 pieces for $5. This right here is a pre-lit garland. That's gonna be $5, and it's 11.5 feet. Here are some of the reindeers that they have. They have them in this silver, like a splattered silver, a brushed metallic color, and the laying down one. Each of these are gonna be $5. Okay, not sure where this is coming from, but for $3, that's a cute candle. And they have it in the cream and that brown. And like every year, they have their mini Christmas trees right here, and then you can decorate them however you want. Now, I've actually seen some people take these mini Christmas trees and actually put it upside down and then put a bow right on top like that and hang it upside down on their front door, which I thought was a super cute idea. We have this sweet as a Christmas cookie towel. That's going to be one towel. They have this one here, and they also have this one here as well. Oh, I am loving these sweater mugs. Ooh, $1.50. That's really nice. They come in green, red, and white. These are so cute. LED Christmas trees. Let's see if we can try it out. Oh, how cute is that? Can y'all see that? That's really cute. So it's like a mini Christmas tree, and it's actually iridescent. I don't know if you guys can see that. And if you don't like the sweater ones, we have some traditional Santa ones and holiday candy. And don't forget your hot chocolate. Dollar Tree also has some baskets here in that nice Christmas themed color. These are pretty nice. If you want to make a little village, look how cute these are. We have these mini little houses. Now these are made of plastic, and they do take a battery, but they will light up. And you can also like decorate them with the little trees. This one right here looks like it does light up as well. Well guys, if you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up, subscribe down below if you haven't done so already, and if you'd like to see another video, click on the video link right here, and we'll see you guys on the next one. Bye!